everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. How are we all doing today? I'm in a good mood and I think it's because I've had a productive day. I've had a couple of productive days. I've been drinking whiskey, so that helps. But I'm also in a good mood because I am filming a question and answer video today. So I went on my Insta stories and I asked you guys to submit me questions, all sorts of questions from all over. So here I am in front of you guys here to answer your questions. Some of these questions are messy, but I like it like that. I do. Before we start with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love if you guys join the Deola Adebiyi family here on YouTube. Also, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So before we get into today's video, I want to talk to you about today's sponsor, which is alcohol. This is what I call a quarantine fix cocktail. It is whiskey, honey, and lime juice. It is based off of a very popular cocktail called the Whiskey Fix. And a Whiskey Fix cocktail is basically whiskey, simple syrup, and lime juice. I just swapped out the simple syrup for honey because simple syrup is just sugar, to be honest. Yeah, honey works. It's really nice and tasty. Put a couple of ice cubes in here using my brother's mason jar, and that's a good cocktail. The first question, well actually the first 4 questions are from Big Chief Enki, so thank you for submitting all these questions. The first one here is, did you teach yourself how to make up? I went to Sephora and I told them to do my makeup and I was watching them and learning from them. So she kind of taught me about makeup. Questions, I was saying, what are you doing? How are you doing this? Why are you doing that? That was kind of like the foundation of like good makeup that I do right now. I practiced, I watched a lot of YouTube videos and tutorials. I watch a lot of reviews and I practice on myself. So yeah, I taught myself how to do makeup. Next question, what's in your cup? So she's asking what's in my cup because in the Instagram story, in the IG story that I posted asking for questions, I was holding a mug. At that time, I was actually drinking coffee because I was working. But yeah, you guys already know what's in this cup. Her third question is, can you be in a polyamorous relationship? You know, I don't know. I would like to think I'm very forward-thinking and very non-judgy and very free-loving and very experimental, but I don't know if I'm able to share. I don't know. I've never been in that kind of situation. I don't want to sit here and say yes, I'll be able to do it, and then somebody approaches me and is like, yeah, I love you, but I also love her and her and her. When that bridge comes, I'll cross it, but I can't say yes or no right now. Her last question, do you have a vibrator? If yes, what kind? I don't have a vibrator, sweetie. My fingers are just fine. This question is from Mercy Ada. Been watching you since forever. Aw, thank you. What happened with Bay? Y'all don't do videos anymore. If Bay is referring to my ex-boyfriend, he's my ex. We broke up a year, like almost 2 years ago. So when we broke it up, we don't do videos anymore. So yeah, I guess that's what happens. This is from Sierra the Sinner. Hey Deola, what do you think of my music? Okay, I don't know who this is. Maybe we will check out her music together. Bring it up on my laptop right here, see what we got. We're gonna listen to some new music together. So I'm on her Instagram page right now. I'm waiting for a video or something to load. She has a Spotify link, and unfortunately Spotify is not in Nigeria. Like, even if you try and click anything from Spotify, it automatically tells you we are not here. I'm just gonna have to go through her page and look for a video of her singing. I think she has a couple of singing videos. From the sky. You always forget to say goodbye. The pills, the bundles, and the lies. Whatever kills the pain and time. I like it. I like the sound. It's very vibey, R&B. Kind of R&B that I kind of like. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna check her music out. What do I think of her music? I think it's cool. I think it's worth exploring. I'm definitely gonna give her a follow on Instagram and follow her music journey because I think what I've heard so far is kind of cool. The Fisayo submitted 2 questions. One, how old are you? I'm 29. I'm gonna be 30 in December. Her second question is, what do you do best? This is gonna sound very, very cocky, but I'm very good at many things. I'm good at editing, I'm good at content creation, I have ideas. I'm a creative. I just have like a bunch of ideas sitting in my head all the time. So I'm good at being a creative. I think that's what I'll answer. I think my answer would be, what do I do best? I'm good at being creative. I'm good at coming up with ideas and executing ideas. I am good at just being who I am. Olorun Toyin asks, what happened between you and your ex? I thought you guys were legit gonna get married. Sis, same here, bro. I think I explained a little bit of what happened between us in previous videos, and I really do not want to rehash it or bring it up, but it wasn't just working, to be honest. It wasn't working for me. I initiated the breakup and he wanted us to work it out. We had tried working it out. Funny enough, we had broken up twice. The second breakup was the last one. We broke up the first time, we got back together. Then we broke up the second time and I was like, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm cool. What happened is more personal matter, and I'm not gonna sit here and dish all the dishables on the internet. It just didn't work out, and yeah, life moves on. I legit thought we were gonna be married. Like, I think I've said it in several videos that, yo, I thought this was the nigga I was gonna marry, but life has a way of, you know, humbling you, basically. The Brownie Ground submitted 2 questions, and the first one is, what's your favorite sex position and why? I like being on top. I know a lot of women will say, oh my god, what? You like being on top? Yeah, I like being on top. What is the one thing you can't do without, like, in life? What can't I do without? I want to say the internet, but I have several times survived without the internet. I want to say money, but I've also survived without money. What can't I do without in life? I don't know how to answer that question. I don't know. I'm really not attached to things. If my laptop got stolen, I'd be sad, but I would move on. If my phone got stolen, I'd be sad, I'd move on. But I can live without anything, to be honest. I can survive. I'm quite an independent person. I don't know how to answer that question. What can't I live without? Rolling with the punches in my life has taught me that I am way more self-sufficient than I thought I was, so I don't have an answer for that. This is from Vincent. What are you looking forward to doing post-Rona? I am looking forward to going to Bolivar and dancing the night away. I'm looking forward to going to Tai Tai for happy hour. I am looking forward to just meeting up with friends, hanging out at events, just, you know, having fun with people. Everybody is just tired of sitting down in one place. I don't think human beings are meant to just sit in one place. We're wanderers, we're explorers. At some point, something within us will be like, nah, we cannot just stay here. We have to move forward. We have to move. We take a lot of things for granted. Like, imagine giving your friend a hug. Like, think about it. When was the last time you gave your friend a hug and all this? I don't know how long you guys have been like either on lockdown or self-isolation, but I saw Coco on Monday. I hadn't seen Coco like a week before because I already was starting to work from home. So like, imagine I had not seen Coco on Monday. That would mean that I would not be able to see my best friend for almost like 3 weeks to a month. We take all these little things, you know, going out to restaurants, going dancing, having fun, for granted. So I'm looking forward to going out to Bolivar. That's the first thing I want to do. I want to go to Bolivar, and I hope A plays that night and dance the night away. Also gonna get all the tattoos and all the piercings that I said I wanted to get, because I was like, oh, I'll get it later, but now I'm just like, man. So imagine I die and I don't do the things I want to do. Like, I gotta do all the shit I want to do. Like right now, Corona is making me like sit down and think like, yo, boo, if you survive this shit, you need to actually do the shit you said you want to do. So yeah, we have one more question. Fun fact, I use your talk stories to practice my accent. Oh, can you make more videos? Of course, I'll make more videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on Insta stories. I am giving you guys at least 2 videos a week now. Maybe when I go back to work, it'll turn back to 1 video a week, but I definitely will be putting out more video and more content. You guys should please give me suggestions in the comment box below about what kind of content you want to see from me. And yeah, alright, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It was slightly messy, just a tiny bit messy, but I enjoyed it. I enjoyed answering your questions. If you guys want me to do more question and answer videos, you guys have to submit questions. So if you submit enough questions, if you ask me enough questions, if you guys want to just be messy and no more, ask questions. I love doing these kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I entertained you today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and do not forget to be awesome and stay at home and wash your hands.